So we are done with all the lessons from Calculus AB and Calculus BC, and we're starting reviewing for the AP exam. We're going to do the problems from the exam from 1997. We're going to take a look at the first 25 questions right now, of course not all at the same time. Those are non-calculator questions, so please don't use your graphing calculator to solve them. In order for this to work really well, what you want to do is look at the question, stop the video, solve the question, try to do it in less than 2 minutes, and then look at the solution. If you're 100% sure that you did it right, you can even ignore the solution or skip all the way to the end of the video to see whether you got it right or not. We're going to start in the beginning. At the beginning of the test, the questions are not very difficult, and so pretty basic stuff. We have the definite integral from 1 to 2 of the function 4x cubed minus 6x. We're going to take the antiderivative. I'm going to remind you, we're going to use the rule that states that the antiderivative of x raised to the nth power dx is equal to x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. In this case, we're going to ignore the constant because it is the definite integral, which is a number. So let's erase this. Yeah. The antiderivative of 4x cubed is going to be 4x to the 4th over 4 minus 6x squared over 2. The lower bound is 1, the upper bound is 2. So this is x to the 4th minus 3x squared. We evaluate the function at 2, so this is 2 to the 4th minus 3 times 2 squared minus 1 to the 4th minus 3 times 1 squared. This is 16 minus 12 minus 1 minus 3, 4 minus negative 2, which is just 6. A bonus question would be, what did you just find? You found the area between the x-axis and the curve 4x cubed minus 6x. We now move on to the second question. We are asked, if f of x is equal to x times the square of 2x minus 3, find f prime of x. So we're supposed to find the slope predictor formula. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to rewrite f of x. F of x is equal to x times the quantity 2x minus 3 raised to the power of 1/2. Why did we rewrite it? I rewrote it so you can see that we're going to use not only the product rule, this is a product of two functions, but also the chain rule. So we start. F prime of x is equal to the derivative of the first, so the derivative of x times 2x minus 3 raised to the power of 1/2 plus the first times the derivative of the second, which is 1/2 times 2x minus 3 raised to the power of negative 1/2, and now times the derivative of the inside of the blob, which is just 2. Let me make this look better. This is 2x minus 3 raised to the power of 1/2 plus, we notice that the 1/2 times the 2 is equal to 1, so this is plus x times the quantity of 2x minus 3 raised to the negative 1/2. We notice that there is a common factor. So the greatest common factor is 2x minus 3 raised to the negative 1/2. We factor it. 2x minus 3 raised to the power of negative 1/2. We're left with 2x minus 3 raised to the power of 1 plus x. When we simplify this, we get 2x minus 3 plus x over the square root of 2x minus 3. So 3x minus 3 over the square root of 2x minus 3 is our final answer. We now move on to question number 3. They're checking to see whether you know all the definitions for the integrals. So for example, for this one, you need to know that you can actually split this definite integral into two. So what are we given? We're told if the integral from a to b of f of x dx is equal to a plus b, what is the integral from a to b of f of x plus 5? No problem. Rewrite it. This is the integral from a to b of f of x dx plus the integral from a to b of 5 dx. This is the first one we already know what the integral from a to b of f of x to dx is. It is a plus 2b plus, for the second one, the antiderivative of 5 is 5x. The upper limit is b, the lower limit is a. So this is a plus 2b plus 5b minus 5a. Adding the like terms, you get negative 4a plus 7b. One last problem that we're going to do. If f of x is equal to negative x cubed plus x plus 1 over x, what is f prime of negative 1? The bonus question is, what does f prime of negative 1 mean? So what are we trying to find? Hopefully you remember when we find f prime of negative 1, we're finding the slope of the line tangent at x equals negative 1. So let's proceed. The first thing that you want to do is rewrite f of x. F of x is equal to negative x cubed plus x raised to the power of negative 1. So 1 over x is the same as x to the negative 1. And now we take the derivative. This is negative 3x squared plus 1 plus negative 1x to the negative 2. So we have f prime of x is equal to negative 3x squared plus 1 minus 1 over x squared. We evaluate f prime of negative 1 is equal to negative 3 times negative 1 squared plus 1 minus 1 over negative 1 squared. This is negative 3 plus 1 minus 1. Negative 3 is what we get. We'll write the remainder of the examples next.